again. I found 3 acres up on Florida Mesa, with a live plot of mountains kiss the sky. Brand new kitchen, bathrooms done up Tesla, and a 3-car garage for all my rides. 3 acres and a view, coffee on the deck when the morning breaks through. No HOA telling me what I can do, just me, the mountains, and nothing left to prove. Yeah, I finally found my dreams come true. 3 acres and a view. Granite counters where I cook my breakfast, island big enough to spread it all out. New flooring running wall to wall, I confess this is what country living's all about. 15 minutes down to old Durango, 10 to the hospital if something goes wrong. Close enough for town, but far enough though that I can sit in silence all